sir.
So here it was the same plot which we are talking about. This is where we get the positions. Okay. Okay, this is by mistake. This is double arrow. Okay. Anything else? Steaming time and all that is there now. Okay. Okay, now we come to this one. This we have just done. Current in the region is setting south. Both have their own movement. We have already discussed this. Join AB. Now I'll ask you here. Join AB. Next, current acting on both is or there is no current. Current is south at 3 knots. Okay.
South at 3 knots, sir.
Okay. How do we find the position of the target? We first draw the CTS of the target and engine distance for 1 hour. And we apply the current and we get D as the position of the target after 1 hour. And BD represents the CMG of the target. Correct, Vita?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, where do we keep the compass to cut 12 miles? At C or D?
C,
C, sir.
So we cut. So BD is this. Mark off point E on the relative line of approach 12 miles from point C. And you get E. Then E to C is the CTS and E to D is the CMG. And you get the vector triangle for ownership. Then CMG you transfer through A. And you get the rendezvous position at F. Is that clear, beta? Clear, bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you see, this one is very unlikely to be asked because, in all fairness, the target and the ownership will experience different currents only when they are far off. But as they are coming closer to each other to meet, both have to experience the same current. Okay. But okay, it may be initial setting of the course, which maybe somebody can argue that no. Initially, what course will you set when you're far off? Target is facing some different current. You are experiencing different current. So target is moving and experiencing different current. Please just rigidly, very religiously apply those points and then you'll have no problems. Okay. First we mark off. So now you see A and B. On ship speed 12 knots, target movement this. The current target, while the current experienced by the target is south into 3 knots, current experienced by the own ship is 135 degrees at 2 knots. Okay, they are experiencing different currents. Next point is obtain the relative line of approach. All are aligned up to this point, beta? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And next is find the target position after 1 hour. That means whatever is the CTS of the target, whatever is the engine speed of the target, whatever is the current on the target, apply them, allow for current, and get the CMG of the target and the position after 1 hour. This plot is same as before. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, I want to reach D by drifting for 1 hour. But now the current that I am experiencing is not same. The current experienced by the own ship is 135 degrees into 2 knots. This is the current of the own ship. This was south into 3 knots. Now I'm going to give you some options. Obviously that will not be point C. Do you agree it will not be point C, beta? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So if 135 degrees true has to drift me to D, pay attention. Should I be somewhere at point 1, at point 2, point 3, in which direction should I be?
Point 1, sir.
Point one.
Sir.
Does everybody agree if I'm somewhere at point in that direction, 135 will drift me to D? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Because if
Yes.
I'm at 3, 135 will drift me away from D. If I'm at any other point, it will never, 135 will not take me to D. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what will I do? I'll put my parallel ruler on 135 degrees on the compass rose, bring the parallel ruler through D here and draw with arrows like this. Yes or no? Correct? Correct, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I have to reach D,
Yes, sir.
then current has to basically be then basically 135 has to act on me like this to bring me to D, correct?
Yes, sir.
And how many miles? 2 miles. So I should be here at this point. From here, the 135 2 knots current will bring me to D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I'll now clear this. Okay, it will be on the next one. So now, do you agree at from point E, the current will drift the own ship to D in 1 hour? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it now clear, beta?
Clear, sir.
Now, where am I going to cut on the 12 miles from C, D, E, or which point?
E, sir.
E,
Point
sir.
E.
E.
Point E.
From E, echo.
Echo, sir. Echo.
Echo, okay. If anybody does not agree with echo, you'll have to then speak out because I could not make out. Some of maybe saying E, I might have heard wrong also. So 12 miles you'll cut off from E onto relative line of approach. And you get
Yes.
point F.
CTS.
What will be F to E? That will be the CTS. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And F to D will be the CMG.
PMG.
Yes, sir.
And FED is the vector triangle. This is for the own ship vector triangle. This is own ship vector triangle. And this is target ship vector triangle. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sorry, beta. Say again.
कोई और कलर यूज कर लीजिए
मार्कर कलर
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Fine. No problem. No, sorry. They're all for free. Don't worry. This is the target vessel on vector triangle, right, beta? Beta, will the rendezvous position will be on this target CMG BD line? Yes or no? It will be on this line.
Yes, sir.
And EFD, the CMG of the own ship, I will transfer through A. And where the two meet, this is the rendezvous position.
Correct, sir.
Now the steaming time of target will be BX divided by what, beta?
BD.
ED, sir.
Steaming time of the own ship will be AX divided by what?
FD.
FD.
FD. So you see, if you follow this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, you will not have any problem whether they are experiencing same current or different currents. However, this different current concept may be little taking things too far. But then since these questions exist in books, so you should not just be caught unawares. Now with this little bit of thing, we'll apply these concepts very religiously onto the questions from MMD exams. You can take if you want, you can take a 5 minutes break if you want to break off. 19:20 sharp will start with these questions with a discussion. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You
Okay,
show
sir.
me the last second slide, means before this.
This one?
No, not this one, sir. Before this one.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes, sir. Here you wrote some notes, no? Not this one, sir. Before this one. There was one question, no? Hi. Yes.
So I asked you, beta, I gave you a few options here. Let me clear it and then ask you again on this. Here I had asked you this, that if the current, the own ship is experiencing current 135 degrees into 2 knots, right?
Yes, sir.
So if a current setting 135 degrees has to drift your vessel in 1 hour to point D, if that current has to drift you to D, then what I was asking is, if I take 135 from D, the vessel will drift away from D in 1 hour. It will not remain at D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that means the vessel has to be somewhere on this side to be drifted to D in 1 hour, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
And we
Yes,
cut off 2 miles here to get point E.
yes, sir.
And from E, we got this point, right? But that's how we completed the triangle. Na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear. No, the last question, sir, I am asking. Before this, there was one question. No, you wrote some notes.
I don't think they are there. I don't know whether they'll be there. I would have.
Uh, yes, yes,
Somebody
yes.
can
That.
put the screenshot. Somebody would have taken the screenshot. He can put. I don't think they must have been deleted, beta.
Acha, okay.
Can
ग्रुप में
somebody? You
डाला
can
यार
ask the group. Somebody will put the
में
screenshot.
डाला
डाल दिया. Otherwise, मैं type करके डाल दूंगा. कोई बात नहीं. With some question. Okay. मैं डाल दूंगा. कोई बात नहीं अगर नहीं डाला है तो. Okay. Just 5 minutes break. Chalo ji. Shall we get going, beta? Class, can we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's have this question. This is a
Yes, sir.
MMD January 2016 paper, beta. See, these questions will slightly, somewhere you can use your common sense based on vector triangle, somewhere you can rigidly follow what we did. Whatever we did can always be followed. That will always, but if you think something is more simpler, you can always follow the simpler one. It's your choice, absolutely. A ship is in position, on a ship in position, so that's your own ship's position, 51 degrees, 30 minutes north, 7 degrees west. Another ship is stopped in given position 52 degrees north, 7 degrees west. So they are north south of each other, same meridian. And drifting. The other ship is stopped but drifting. So not anchored or aground something. Current in the area is setting southeast at 2 knots. Calculate the compass course to steer. So once you get the true course, please remember you'll have to convert from true to compass, which is little tricky. Engine speed and the course and speed made good of the own ship to meet other ship after 4 hours. Also calculate the meeting position of the two vessels. Now, this question, if you want to do our way, that is one thing, but I think this one question, you can simply see that you want to meet after 4 hours. So if after 4 hours, I found out the position of the target ship, then that becomes my directly intended position to reach, yes or no, in 4 hours. Correct, beta?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So this question will be simpler this way. That's all I'm saying. So you see, this is the own ship, that is the target ship. Where will the target ship be after one? Let me take this question along. Otherwise, the question is there. No, okay, fine. Okay, fine. So here is the question. Where do you think? Please look at it. After how much duration do you want to meet? Here the duration is given. Earlier we were finding out the rendezvous time. Here is already told you that you want to meet after 4 hours. So after 4 hours, can you find out the position of the target ship? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Southeasterly. Yes,
Southeasterly and 4 hours of drift, right?
yes, 8 knots.
Yeah, 8 miles, beta. Okay.
Yes, 8 knots.
So X becomes the target's position after 4 hours. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
If I join A to X, what is it that going to give me?
CMC.
CMG. Okay, very good. Does everybody agree?
Yes,
Yes,
This is
sir.
the CMG of the own ship. This is the rendezvous. This is the RV position. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is the CMG. Okay. This distance AX is made good DMG for how many hours?
4 hours.
4 hours. So this triangle becomes a 4-hour triangle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in this triangle, if you know the current, you see, in this, it is very evident this is the CTS and engine distance, very evident. But I'm saying, chalo, it does not strike you, never mind. You are saying this is the CMG plus DMG in 4 hours. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes, sir.
You know the current experienced by the own ship, southeasterly at 2 knots. If I know the CMG and DMG, and if I have to get the CTS, do I allow current or counteract current?
Contract.
Contract.
So if
Contract.
this DMG is for 4 hours, I think it makes all the more sense that I make a triangle for 4 hours. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where do I counteract the current, at A or at X?
A.
A,
At
sir.
A.
So at A, I can draw the current for 4 hours. I get point Y, and I'm sure you'll agree Y to X will be the CTS, and this is the engine distance in 4 hours. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
This CTS is same as the relative line of approach, guys. The
Yes, sir.
triangle was being completed here also, but I did not
Yes,
want to confuse you. I've just kept it following the very basic steps. You get the CMG, you get the DMG, please counteract. If you can see it here, you could have said this is the CTS, no problem.
So,
But
but
if
in
you're not
exam
able to
also, if
see,
we show this as CTS, then it is okay, no, sir?
you can show now. This is the see. This is also
Yeah, because we have learned this only. अभी
CTS
आपने कराया था.
CTS and current in the same direction. Third side
Yes, sir.
representing the resultant of the two. Correct, beta?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. But agar tumhe, if it is clear, it's fine. If not, you can draw this triangle also. Just stick to very basics then, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
it's entirely your choice how you want to do. What I have drawn is the one which probably all of you would be comfortable with. The ones who are more clear in concepts can cut short if they want. That's absolutely fine. Okay, beta? Because what has happened, you see, this A, B, C, D, this has become a parallelogram. So this side and this side are equal plus parallel, right? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And therefore, this course and this course are same. DA distance and CB distance are also same. So you want to make this triangle, you don't want to make triangle, doesn't make a difference. What I have done is something which probably will click with everybody in the class. So it is with that intent, with larger interest in mind. And this completes this question. It's a MMD question. Here, what was tweaked, they did not want the RV time. What they had given was the duration after which you need to meet. So they had changed the question a little bit. And I don't think there is anything to get confused. This, in fact, is a very, very simple and straightforward question. Correct, beta?
So can we see the question again for screenshot?
Where is the question here? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Answer.
सर एक चीज पूछना था सर. पूछूं सर?
एक मिनट में क्वेश्चन वहां ले जाता हूँ, उस लास्ट स्लाइड पे ले जाता हूँ, then I'll answer your question. Give me a minute, please. Just give me a minute. Let me take it on the last slide where you want to ask the questions. Okay. Now tell me, beta. Here is the question also, and here is the final solution. Tell me.
सर इसमें हमें 4 hours they gave us the duration.
After which you have to meet.
हाँ, after which we have to meet at X.
So then since we had every information about the target, we found where the target would be after. Suppose the target was also moving. Still, we could have made a 4-hour triangle for triangle and for target and found where the target would be after 4 hours, right? Am I right?
स्क्रीन गुड आ गया वो उसके
सर
बाद
अगर
4 hours का करके
सर
Uh,
sir, if they didn't give us the 4 hours, no, so then 1 hour का triangle बनाते ना सर हम लोग.
Beta, then they have to give some more information. No? Then they have to give your engine speed. What they have done is they have not given the own ship's engine speed this time. So instead of that, they have given you the duration, right?
अच्छा, yes. Okay.
If you make 1 hour triangle, then you will not have the own ship's engine speed, na beta?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So you'll not be able to cut that arc there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's look at this second question. Is it MMD? It's a question which I think I have made myself. It's not an MMD question. Okay. Now, before I go to this question, please remember, guys, whatever CTS you are getting, this is north. CTS is 000 degrees true. Question wants CTS compass. Conversion has to be done. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
First lecture.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
don't miss
sir.
out those things. You'll lose marks otherwise. Okay. I don't know whether I have copied this question further or not. If you want, just take a screenshot on the phone or take a photo on the phone side by side. At 1000 hours, own ship observes Bellinacoti Point lighthouse bearing 330 degrees gyro and Minehead lighthouse bearing 254 gyro. At the same instant, vertical sextant angle of Minehead lighthouse was observed to be 46 minutes. If index error of the sextant is 2 minutes off the arc and height of tide is 2 meters below mean high water spring, find the position of the own vessel and the error of the gyro. Can the part 1 be completed, beta?
Yes, sir.
This will be
Yes,
two
sir.
position circles, one
Yes,
by
sir.
horizontal angle,
One
other
by
by
horizontal,
vertical
one by
angle.
Vertical
vertical
circle.
circle.
Yeah, and get the gyro error after
Error.
getting the fix. Correct, beta?
Yes,
So
sir.
here, the own ship's position is not given in latitude, longitude. It is given to you through position circles. Okay, so that part will have to be executed. Then another vessel is in position 51 degrees 30 minutes north, 7 degrees west, lat long given. Steering a course of 290 degrees at 8 knots requests assistance. If on ship can proceed at a maximum of 12 knots and the current in the region was setting 150 degrees true at 3 knots, so both are experiencing same current here. Find the gyro course to steer by the own ship, rendezvous position, rendezvous time, CMG, SMG of the own ship, CMG, SMG on target ship. Basically, what I've tried through this question is include everything that he could ask probably from these questions. So now, I don't think that, I think this question I plotted somewhere. Have I not plotted? Let me just see. Have I not? No, it's not plotted anywhere. Okay. I used to plot it somewhere. I don't know. Never mind. It's okay. Okay, beta. So this particular question, if we have to plot question number 2, then what is it that we are going to do? Let me take it on a blank slide and just do it approximately, not go into the specifics of the position. Okay. Okay, let's do this one first and then the second one. Now, guys, on that chart, you will have Minehead and Bellinacoti. And of course, somewhere you'll draw a position circle by vertical angle. And this is by horizontal angle. And by vertical angle, you will have iska diya vertical angle, Minehead ka. So the vessel is somewhere here. This is the own ship, right? At 1000 hours. Correct, beta? Right?
Yes, sir.
The own ship, the target ship is somewhere here, relatively somewhere here is the target ship on the chart by intersection of lat and long. The target ship is steering 290 degrees true at 8 knots. Engine speed of the own ship, maximum engine speed is 12 knots. Current is given as 050 degrees true at 3 knots. Guys, based on the notes you have taken, I'm sure you'll agree this is point A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is point B. Am I right? This will be the relative line of approach AB. Correct, beta? Does everybody
Yes,
agree?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the target position after 1 hour. What do? We draw the CTS of the target at B, 290 degrees. Cut off 8 miles on it. Am I right, beta? And then we allow this current of 050 of 3 miles and get point D.
Yes, sir.
Do you all agree that BD is the CMG
Totally.
of the target? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Does everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Will the RV position lie on BD line somewhere? Yes or no? CMG of the
Yes, sir.
target. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, target is at D after 1 hour. If a current setting 050 has to bring me to D, where should I be 1 hour before that?
Charlie.
Charlie.
C.
Yes. I open my compass 12 miles, put it on C. Let me change to green. I put it at C, cut off 12 miles on this. Let's say I call it as E.
E.
This becomes
CTS.
my CTS. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
And ED will become my CMG. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will transfer ED through A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
will be the rendezvous position.
Yes, sir.
So he says, rendezvous position. Please pick up the lat long of point X and put it on the answer sheet. So that is answer 2. Okay. Rendezvous time. Now the steaming time by own ship, you can take by anyone by own ship, will be equal to own ship will make good a distance of AX. If anybody has any doubt, you can interject.
ED.
She is going to make good at a speed represented by ED. And when I add this to 1000 hours, the departure time, this becomes expected time to rendezvous. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
That is the rendezvous time, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
CMG of the own ship will be represented by AX or ED, that represent the CMG of the own ship. SMG of the own ship is ED, so this is also answered. CMG of the target is represented by BD. SMG of the target is represented by BD magnitude distance, so this is also done. Gyro course to steer by the own ship. CTS is ED, EC, and this will be
minus
degrees
gyro.
true. Correct? Gyro
Yes,
error is from part A, whatever you have obtained, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this will give you CTS gyro. Is this question clear now from beginning to end, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Bolo.
So, for example, if in the question nothing is given, no time.
Don't bring questions because you will miss out something. And then, is this question clear?
Yes, sir. This is clear.
So now you tell. So guys, listen to him with open mind. Don't confuse with the solution of this question. Bolo.
Sir, if no time is given in the question, we always make the triangle for 1 hour. If they have not given like when the two ships will meet.
That's
after
what we have been seeing now all through. If there is any advantage of making it for some specific period, we make it for specific period, especially when we do running fix and all that, right?
Yes, sir.
But
No, but
when there is no specific requirement, then 1 hour is the easiest to make. No, why should I complicate it?
Yes, sir. For example, the rendezvous position after 1 hour. So if nothing is given, we always find the rendezvous after 1 hour, correct?
Beta, you do it after 2 hours, then you'll have to make all triangles for 2 hours. Technically, you can do it for any duration, but why you want to complicate, right?
But in that case, sir, the answer would become different, no? The rendezvous position will be different.
Why? CMG will still be the same, no? If you apply for 2 hours, the CMG of the target will come the same.
Oh, yes, yes, okay.
How will the CMG of the target change?
करंट भी तो 2 घंटे के लिए लगेगा.
फिर करंट भी 2 घंटे का लगेगा.
Correct, correct. Yes, sir.
So why
एक
complicated,
बिंदु
right?
वहां से फिर ए से काट लेंगे ना हम.
करेक्ट बेटा.
Normal
और फिर
कर
जब
रहे
तुम
थे.
यहाँ से काटोगे, जब यहाँ से काटोगे तो तुम डबल इंजन डिस्टेंस लोगे, 24
हाँ जी,
माइल्स काटोगे.
correct, sir. Correct. Understood.
So you'll get the same CTS again. You are getting the triangle for 2 hours. अब SMG के लिए 2 से डिवाइड करते घूमोगे
Yes.
उसको.
Transfer करेंगे position तो same आएगा. Yeah, understood, sir.
Yeah, okay. So when, see, ultimately what are you looking for? You're looking for your own convenience and comfort, right?
Yes,
When
sir.
a certain duration makes things easier, we go for that specific duration. Otherwise, we keep it simple by keeping for 1 hour. Is this question number 2 clear? It is not from MMD exam, but it was intentionally put in here because just to make sure that you are clear about the things. Right, beta? Okay.
सर बट एक चीज समझ
Yes,
नहीं आ
sir.
रहा, अगर 1 घंटा चल के भी वही पोजीशन पे पहुंच रहे हैं, 2 घंटे चल के भी वही पोजीशन पे पहुंच रहे हैं, ऐसे कैसे?
रेंडेवू तो वही होगा ना, जहां होना है वो थोड़ी चेंज होगा.
सर बट ओके सर, आई विल पुट सम थॉट ऑन दिस.
अरे बेटा, instead of making a smaller triangle, you are making a bigger triangle, but they are similar triangles only,
ओके सर.
right?
यस सर.
Procedure will be
You
the
have
same.
just doubled up everything, na? Then
यस सर.
that's all you are doing, nothing else. Okay.
ओके.
Question number 3 is from MMD exam, in which it was not based on any chart where relative position is given. You remember I told you the target vessel position may be given in lat long, maybe PLPC like the previous question, and now the relative to own ship's position. A ship maximum speed 16 knots has to catch up with another vessel B that is steering a course of 216 at 9 knots. Set your course to rendezvous to B if she lies 102 miles from A in direction of 334 degrees true. That means you can be here, then the target is in this direction at a distance of 100 to 102 miles away. Target is at B, then you'll get the target position like this. Understood, beta? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
This can be done on the answer sheet with some scale. It can be done in some part of the chart with some reduced scale, because if you use the scale of the chart, then plotting 102 miles using the latitude scale may be difficult on the charts that you're using. Okay. So in any case, you'll have to do a scale down plot when distances are large. And accuracy will again be compromised, because smaller the scale, greater would be the hit taken by the accuracy. Okay. So beta kuch nahi hai, A or B plot karna hai, B will be plotted relative to A. Then you have, is there current given in the question?
Nothing sir, nothing. Simple.
बस तो बस so ये हो गया.
ये भी हमारा कोर्स टू शेयर हो जाएगा.
बस ये हो गया. You plotted A, you
Yes,
plot
sir.
B. This becomes relative line of approach. Correct. The CTS of the this also becomes the CMG.
CD.
Yes or no?
Yes sir.
If I have to reach C after 1 hour, there is no current, then I have to cut off from C. Correct, beta?
From B.
No, from C you'll cut. No, you
From
want
C,
to be,
yes,
There
yes,
is
yes.
no current,
you
sir.
want
There
to
is
be
no
at
current.
C after 1
Okay.
hour, and there is no current.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you'll cut from C onto D. This becomes the CTS, and this also becomes CMG in the absence of current. So CD is transferred here by virtue of being CMG, and this becomes the rendezvous position. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
How long will it take to think? Whatever scale you have chosen, if AB represents 102 miles, whatever scale you have used there, using the same scale, you can measure, either you can measure AE or you can measure BE. BE is the distance to be made good by the target. AE is the distance to be made good by the own ship. Speed made good by the own ship is 16. So divide by 16. If you are using target, speed divide by 9. These will be the steaming time, and that will give you how long will it take to reach her, right, beta? Yes or no? Is this question clear, beta? It's an MMD exam question. This came in. I don't know. I've not written the year, but it's definitely an MMD exam question. So if anybody has questions on this, let me know. It's a MMD exam. Any questions on this, beta? In this case, CTS and CMG for both will be same, right? Target same रहेंगे, and for ownership, the CTS and CMG will be same. For target, CTS and CMG will be same. SMG and engine speed of target will be same. Likewise, engine speed and speed made good of the ownership will be same. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I've basically picked up these questions because they are slightly different from one another. Otherwise, there's no point in having similar questions being done, 10 questions of similar type. Beta, this question is not actually a rendezvous question, but it has been put out here intentionally, though it is not meeting. It is related to CPA and TCPA. It's again came in the phase 1 MMD exam.
Yes, sir. ये तो radar plotting वाला हो गया ना?
करेक्ट बेटा, बट अगर ट्राइंगल WOA ट्राइंगल क्लियर नहीं होगा वेक्टर उस दिन और भूल जाओगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, राइट? ओके,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in WOA triangle, please take down if you've forgotten. The three vectors are from W to A, W to O, and O to A. See the direction of arrows, guys. Please don't miss out the direction of the arrows. W to A is the target vector. W to O is the ownership vector. And OA is the relative line of relative vector. Correct, beta? Relative line of approach, right? शायद याद आ गया होगा थोड़ा बहुत, अभी अगर भूल गए थे तो, और इसको याद करके जाना है एग्जाम से पहले, भूल के नहीं जाना है, because if the question comes you will be again caught unawares. Problem is you don't remember vectors. It's not about doing the question. So guys, are the vectors, you have taken down the vectors?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this, what we will do is, there is one ship whose position is given with respect to the other. So, read the question. Is it the tanker position given from cargo ship, or is it the cargo ship position given from tanker?
Cargo vessel is own vessel.
Cargo vessel, sir. Cargo vessel.
Is it the cargo vessel given with respect to tanker, or the tanker position given with respect
Tanker is
to...
given. Tanker is given with respect to cargo.
So tanker is given with respect to cargo. So what we'll do is we'll make cargo ship as own ship.
Own ship, yes, sir.
And we'll make tanker as target. Is that clear, beta? Why I have already explained, right?
Yes, sir.
And we'll do the relative plot. In relative plot, the ownership remains at the center of the radar plot sheet, right? So let me see if the question is here. Question is there. Okay. Okay. So if this is your radar plot sheet, let me try to bring in a radar plot sheet here. So the ownership is always at the center of the radar sheet. This is the cargo ship. Am I right, beta? Okay. When you get tanker, so there are 3 points to the triangle WOA. The tanker is situated 355. So you'll put 355 direction here. So this is 355. And you'll cut off 12 miles on, 20 miles on this. And this is the target. In radar, when you get the target, what do you represent the first reading as?
O, sir.
So this becomes O. Is that clear, beta? Clear, bacho?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Now from O, there are three vectors: WO, WA, and OA. O comes in two vectors: OA and WO. See, do we have the relative line of approach yet? No. Do we have the ownership vector? Yes or no in the question? Read the question.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
the
sir. 0, 9,
ownership
0, 12.
course?
112.
0, 9, 0.
090, correct?
Sorry, 090. Yes, sir. 090.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So if the 090 has to be from W to O, then I'm sure you'll agree that W will be on this side, because then only it will be W to O is 090, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Vita? Have you understood, Vita?
Yes, sir.
Because W
Yes,
to
sir.
Yes,
O
sir.
is 090, not O to W. WO is 090. So if I have O and I have to plot W, then it has to be marked like this. And what will be the engine speed of the own ship? 12
12
knots. So using
12
the
knots.
same scale as used here, we'll cut off 12 miles here, wherever it is. And this becomes W. Yes or no, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, W comes in WA, and WA is the target vector. The tanker course WA, W to A course is 112 degrees true. So from W, I can draw 112 for the target. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is target. Correct, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And target is steering, doing 12 knots. So from here, I'll cut off 12 miles and I'll get A. Yes or no, beta?
Yes.
And now I join OA, and this is the relative line of approach. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So on the radar screen in relative plot, the tanker will appear to be moving along this because your own ship is being considered stationary at the center. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When you drop a perpendicular from here on this is the point to CPA. This is CPA range, and you can calculate the time to CPA. So he says find the closest that the two ships shall pass. That means he's asking the CPA range. This is one answer. And when they will reach X. Look at this triangle. If this from O to X, what is the distance vessel has to cover, relative distance to be covered? OX. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
At what speed this triangle is for 1 hour, right? At what speed is the relative distance being covered?
OA.
OA. Distance OX upon OA will be the time to CPA. Am I right, beta?
Yes.
So please remember O, W, O. Don't mix it up. Own ship vector. WA. Target ship vector. OA. Relative vector. Please remember these vectors before you go, because if somebody blindly repeats the question, you will just be caught unawares unnecessarily. Okay.
क्वेश्चन आएगा तो पेपर पे करना है या फिर इसके लिए कुछ रडार प्रोटेक्शन मिलेगा?
मुझे तो नहीं लगता रडार प्लॉटिंग शीट के लिए तैयार भी होंगे बेटा. I don't think you'll get. You'll have to take a scale and do it, right?
Yes, sir.
सर ये मतलब प्लेन उस पे आंसर
सर आई
शीट पे
थिंक ये चार्ट पे किया था.
बेटा चार्ट पे भी कर सकते हो, पोजीशन तो दी नहीं हुई है ना चार्ट पे भी, जहां बट चार्ट पे बी केयरफुल बिफोर, डोंट स्टार्ट दिस बिफोर यू प्लॉट द अदर टू क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज इट शुड नॉट कम एंड take the space of other two plots, right?
Yes, yes.
If it has to be done on the chart, please make sure it is done in the space which is free and vacant, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, you can do it on the answer sheet. That is the safest.
Right, sir.
Answer sheet is the safest, but you want to do on the chart, then this should not be the first question, and then you suddenly realize the next plot is running over it now and making it mess and create confusion for your own self, right?
कंपास रोज पे कर सकते हैं ना
बेटा कहीं भी करो, मैंने कह तो दिया तुम्हें कि और अगर आप चार्ट पे कर रहे हो तो आंसर शीट पे लिख देना दिस द प्लॉट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द चार्ट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
So that the guy knows that you've plotted it there, right?
Yes.
So just convey it also. That is also important, because since it's not related to the chart in question, so you must convey that it is on the chart. I personally, if I have to do, I would do on the answer sheet because I don't want to risk my marks. But yes, you can do on the chart. There is no harm. It's perfectly okay.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर
हाँ,
सर 3 पॉइंट बेरिंग से था सर
नहीं तो पहले इसको कर लेते हैं, फिर ले लेता हूँ बेटा.
ओके ओके सर
I'll take it. Okay, guys, I have come to end of the questions that I had in my list. You can go through past papers, and if you have any rendezvous question which is bothering you, we will be connected over the group in any case. We are not closing it out. So I don't think that should be an issue. So with this, we come to end of the rendezvous questions. I'll also share Sunil's link with you. You can watch that video. Maybe some of you feel more comfortable doing his way. That's perfectly okay. Nothing wrong with that either. Let me just. नहीं नहीं, जो बेटा लेट्स गिव इट अ चांस. जिसको जो पसंद आए, मेरा काम है वीडियो फॉरवर्ड करना. ठीक है, तुम्हें जो पसंद है तुम करो, एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर गेटिंग मार्क्स एंड पासिंग. ओके, इट हैज कम ऑन द ग्रुप. दोज हु वांट टू वॉच मे वॉच, दोज हु डू नॉट वांट टू वॉच कैन इग्नोर.
सर
ये एक बार वापस से बताना ना सर, सेंटर में हम किसे लेंगे सर प्लॉटिंग के लिए सर, 2 शिप में से?
आप बताओ किस शिप का पोजीशन, किसकी कौन सी शिप से दिया हुआ है, जिसकी पोजीशन
टैंकर वेसल का दिया हुआ है.
किससे? टैंकर वेसल का वेसल कहां से दिया हुआ है? रेफरेंस क्या है उसके लिए?
कार्गो वेसल है सर रेफरेंस.
तो दैट्स व्हाई कार्गो शिप बिकम्स द ओन शिप ना.
ओके, वही सर पूछ रहा हूँ कि जो जिसका रेफरेंस रहेगा वो सेंटर में लेंगे हम लोग.
दैट नेचुरली इट मेक्स सेंस ना बेटा, अदरवाइज उल्टी बेयरिंग क्यों मारोगे तुम चार प्लॉट में?
ओके सर.
अगर तुम्हें पता है कार्गो शिप से 355 है, अगर तुम ओ बीच में ले लोगे तो 355 का रिवर्स थोड़ी ड्रॉ करते घूमोगे वहां बार बार.
यस सर.
सो वही बोला ना कि जिसका रेफरेंस शिप जो है दैट बिकम्स द ओन शिप, राइट?
ओके सर.
ओके बेटा, आपने 3 पॉइंट बेयरिंग डाला ग्रुप पे?
डाल दो.
Somebody was saying he has a question in 3 point bearing.
याद भी है सर, मैं डाल देता हूँ.
आप डाल देगा तो अच्छा रहेगा. People will know exactly what we are talking here.
सर एक चीज पूछना था सर.
हाँ बोलो, जिसको पूछना तब तक पूछो. By the time he is putting the question.
सर ये टाइडल स्ट्रीम्स भी एक टॉपिक है ना सर?
बेटा I'll do tomorrow, day after tomorrow, before I do the fish triangle.
अच्छा ओके.
I have kept half an hour for tidal streams and then we'll take a fish triangle.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, ये देख इधर देख, तू इधर देख, कुछ बचेगा नहीं तुम्हारा, चिंता नहीं करो. ये क्या है लास्ट में?
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है
ओके सर. नहीं आप बोले सर फिश ट्रायंगल लास्ट टॉपिक है ना सर, वही याद आया.
नहीं वो उसके साथ ये है बेटा, ये सबसे लास्ट में. सी इफ यू सी फ्रॉम हियर ऑन टॉप, एवरीथिंग इज डन विद यू एक्सेप्ट फॉर द टाइडल स्ट्रीम एंड दिस क्या नाम है तुम्हारा, वो ये फिश ट्रायंगल.
Mostly.
Fish triangle 10, number 10, and tidal stream cocked hat we have done, and typical questions we have discussed, assignments we have discussed. So all out here has been discussed. So tidal stream is there on my agenda. Don't worry. Okay. So tidal stream की टेंशन छोड़ दो तुम. ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन बेटा?
सर सेकंड नंबर है सर.
ओके. इसी पे ले लेते हैं, कोई नहीं. एक और शीट खोल के. लो बेटा ये रहा क्वेश्चन तुम्हारा, ये छोटा है काफी, इसको बड़ा कर दो। ओके, while steering a course of 270 at 12 knots, CTS engine speed given, bill of Portland 229,000,042 3 times are given. Find SMG that can be found. Okay, beta, for this you'll have to take engine speed from top, beta. There is no other way, na?
इंजन स्पीड तो दिया 12 नॉट्स दे रखा है सर।
अच्छा, इंजन स्पीड दिया, CTS दिया है, इंजन स्पीड दिया है,
बस
CMG मिल
इसमें
जाएगा।
ये है सर। हाँ
अच्छा,
जी,
करंट का सेटिंग दिया हो ना? ओके, कोई
हाँ,
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें, क्या
सेट
प्रॉब्लम है?
निकालना है।
Okay,
जो सेट
so
निकालना है ना
bill, एक मिनट, 329. Okay, here is bill of Portland. Let's do it. 329. This is at 2250. 000 2315 and 042 at 2345. अब बेटा ये आपका कोई भी लाइन ड्रॉ हो गया, ये हो गया अब तुम्हारा 25 मिनट, ये है तुम्हारा 25 मिनट 20 मिनट नहीं,
आधे घंटे
5
सर।
और 6 का रेशियो आया
30. So 25:30 के रेशियो आएगा, करेक्ट? एम आई राइट बेटा?
यस सर, यस।
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो जो भी रेशियो
टू
आएगा
मच
रेशियो
किया
में ले
क्या?
लेना, राइट?
5:6.
जो भी रेशियो आएगा ले लेना. दिस बिकम्स योर CMG, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is your now, so you, after this you have CTS 270, you have engine speed 12 knots, and you have set, and you have CMG. Now you have 5 elements. What is the issue here after?
सर इसमें दिक्कत ये कि CTS जब हम लोग ये करंट काट रहे हैं अपना, वहाँ पे 2 जगह पे CMG पे कट, तो एग्जैक्टली कहाँ कौन सा लेना वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
Okay. So what you're basically saying is कि आपका जो ये जो 2 जगह जो काट रहा है, तो आपका 270 CTS यहाँ कहीं आएगा, am I right? नीचे ही आएगा ना?
यस सर, यस।
ये सर नीचे आ रहा है।
Okay, then you are cutting it here. Okay, your question is something else. You are saying when I cut 3.5, is it actually cutting at 2 या दूसरे में बाहर निकल जाता है?
हाँ, एक
सर,
दूसरे
दो
में
बाहर
निकल सर, एक
दूसरे में बाहर निकल जाता है
नहीं बाहर बेशक नहीं, पर लाइन काट रहा है. It is cutting the line.
लाइन काट रहा है, लाइन
हाँ
काट
जी,
रहा है।
लाइन काटता है।
कटिंग सर।
Okay, fine. So you are saying one current could be this, other current could be this.
करेक्ट सर।
यस सर।
That is what the doubt is, right?
हाँ जी।
हाँ, तो इन दोनों में से लेना कौन सा वो समझ नहीं आ रहा हम लोगों को।
Okay, ठीक है. Just give me a second. If the current was setting 3.5, it is cutting at 2 points, is what you're saying. Ideally, it should not have cut. Okay. Then if I take this and transfer through this, the position. Okay, beta. Now you see, basically what will happen is you have taken it for 45 plus 10, 55 minutes का triangle बनाया ना ये?
हाँ जी सर, 55 मिनट।
Okay. अब जब तुम यहाँ से बेटा फर्स्ट PL ड्रॉप ट्रांसफर करोगे और यहाँ से फर्स्ट PL ट्रांसफर करोगे, ठीक है?
हाँ जी।
राइट. सो या तो पोजीशन यहाँ पर होगी 23:45 की, या यहाँ पर होगी, करेक्ट? A और B ऑप्शन दो आएंगे.
यस सर.
ओके. अब जो तुम्हारा CMG है, जो CMG लाइन है, जब तुम यहाँ से बैकवर्ड ड्रॉ करोगे, करेक्ट बेटा? तो you have to just see A dash and B dash. These will be the possible tracks, right?
Yes sir.
Then see on the chart, are they both safe? A dash to A and B dash to B. Are they both safe?
सेफ ही थे सर, सेफ थे सर, सेफ थे।
मुझे एक काम करो, तुम ये जो कौन सा चार्ट है?
5056
सर मैं चार्ट का प्लॉट भेज देता हूँ आपको, 1 मिनट रुक
नहीं, 5056 किसी ने डाला था?
5056 है सर
ये डाला था क्या तुमने उस दिन ग्रुप पे किसी ने 5056?
यस
PDF डाला हुआ है ना? तो मैं निकाल के प्लॉट कर लेता हूँ, मैं देख लेता हूँ अगर, क्योंकि the only way you can resolve this is if one of the tracks is not safe, right बेटा? Otherwise both the options will exist. There is no other opportunity here, right? No other thing to tell us.
सर MMD में इसका बॉम्बे MMD ने इसके लिए 1.5 दिया था करेक्शन के बाद,
तो 1.5 कर दिया था ना उन्होंने, ताकि एक जगह काटे.
जैसा एग्जाम के टाइम पे उन्होंने करेक्शन किया था इसमें,
तो बस फिर खत्म हुआ बात. फिर then there is no ambiguity ना बेटा. See, what I'm saying is, if it is cutting at 2 points, then there can be two positions running fixed lagao, and one of the sets, if it is on running through unsafe patch, then that gets ruled out by default. But if it is not, then both options will coexist. You can't rule out any, you have no information to rule out further, right? ठीक है बेटा?
In case both these options
बेटा, then you can say both options exist. Both options exist. Both options exist.
और दोनों के आंसर लिख दे सर.
आपको लिखने पड़ेंगे, क्या करोगे आप? When you can't rule out, you can't rule out. More information has to be there to be able to rule out further, right?
सर इन दैट केस पोजीशंस अलग अलग आएंगी ना सर?
बेटा नहीं, दोनों पोजीशन तो सेम आएंगे ना, दो सेट आएंगे ना लोगों के, अलग अलग क्यों आएंगी? दो अलग अलग सेट आएंगे ना, A' to A and B to B.
सेट और दोनों.
अरे भाई, ये पोजीशन तो सबकी सेम आएगी, ये सबकी सेम आएगी, ये सबकी सेम आएगी, ये सबकी सेम आएगी. यस और नो?
वो तो सेम आएगी सबकी.
But sir, basically then you have to say that there is further ruling out is not possible as both the tracks are safe and there is no other information. But as somebody in the class is saying कि they already made it as 1.5 to basically make it sure that it is cutting only at one point, right? तो 1.5 से करके देखना, हो सकता है एक ही पॉइंट पे काटे उसके बाद.
एक ही पॉइंट पे कट करेगा सर.
So he's confirming that there was a correction, ना बेटा?
Okay sir, thank you.
फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन उसमें एक नाम है.
नहीं, but what I'm saying is अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ भी जाता है और करेक्शन नहीं भी आती तो दोनों ऑप्शन हैं भाई, उसके बाद तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You have to give both the options. Just to close the discussion, if the correction was not there, then both options will coexist and you can't rule out them, right?
ठीक है, सही समझ में. इसी के पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में एक डाउट था. वहां पे इन लोगों ने लाइट को क्लोज लिखा हुआ है, तो वो क्लोज वाला सेंटेंस समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि एग्जैक्टली वो ऑब्स्क्योर वाला है कि
यार I read is closest, it must be closest, I don't know.
सर वो
it must have been closest कि उसका सर्कल लगा के टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करने वाला क्वेश्चन था वो. I saw it on the group, I think somebody had put, right?
Yes sir.
अगर क्लोजेस्ट तो फिर समझ में आ गया सर, इस पे दिक्कत नहीं.
Must be closest only यार, वो थोड़ा बहुत I think typo error होगा और कुछ नहीं है. Close does not mean obscured. Close does not mean obscured. Just see if that light is that light getting obscured, but then you'll not be able to set the course. It has to be closest here, tangent draw करके.
ठीक है.
Right? Tangent draw करके ही आएगा बेटा, कुछ उसका वो closest होगा वो, that's a typo error I think. ठीक है? Don't worry about that. That must be closest only. I saw that question on the group. Somebody had put. Okay. So day after tomorrow, the target is first to take tidal streams, discuss tidal streams, and after tidal streams, we'll do the fish triangle. That will be the last topic on the agenda. After that, it is only doubt solving and nothing else. Makbul, Tariq.
Yes, sir.
भाई तेरा क्या करना है बेटा? चलो, others can sign out. Let me just have a chat with them. Okay, guys. बेटा तुम्हें क्या करना चाह रहे हो, कैसे करोगे बताओ?
Thank you sir.
Okay, bye बच्चों, bye.
समझ आ रहा है मुझे सर.
नहीं बेटा, ऐसा है, समझ आ रहा है. देखो, तुम कहोगे समझ आ रहा है, मैं बात को खत्म कर दूंगा, बट उससे तुम्हारा फायदा नहीं होने वाला ना बच्चे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's not going to help your cause ना बच्चे.
Yes, sir.
तेरे कितने सब्जेक्ट बचे हुए हैं अभी फेज 1 के?
सर अभी तो सिर्फ एक पेपर क्लियर हुआ है.
कौन सा क्लियर हुआ है?
सेफ्टी का.
सेफ्टी. अब बेटा जो देख, आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नॉट मेट यू एवर, ओके, बट माय असेसमेंट ऑफ द सिचुएशन इज दैट यू विल हैव टू बी बेसिकली मोर केयरफुल इन प्लानिंग योर पेपर्स. जस्ट अननेसेसरली हर पेपर में बार बार फेल होने को अपने आप को मत डालो, ठीक है? तो इस बारी तुम कौन से पेपर देना चाहते हो? पहले तो देखो, तुम एक तो नेवल आर्क और नेविगेशन एक साथ मत देना, तुम नहीं उठा पाओगे बेटा. देखो, अपनी लिमिटेशन समझना भी स्ट्रेंथ होती है एक, राइट? अपनी लिमिटेशन को अगर हम नहीं समझेंगे तो हम अपने आप को परेशान करेंगे. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. ओके, सो मेरी सजेशन तो ये, मेरी तरफ से तो बेटा तू सारे दे दे, फेज 2 भी साथ में दे दे, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज मेरी सजेशन तुम्हें ये है, हाउ आर यू प्लेस्ड विद कार्गो वर्क? कार्गो वर्क का क्या हाल है तेरा?
पर कार्गो तो अभी समय उसको दे नहीं रहा हूँ सर।
अभी दे नहीं रहे हो, अच्छा अच्छी बात है बेटा। तुम स्टेबिलिटी में क्या हाल है तुम्हारा?
सर अभी स्टेबिलिटी भी अभी मैं देने के इरादे में नहीं हूँ सर, वो नेक्स्ट टाइम
नहीं दे रहे हो, फिर बहुत बढ़िया। अच्छा ओके, बहुत बढ़िया, फिर बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक है ओके।
अभी समय
और जो सुनील सर नेविगेशन पढ़ा रहे हैं उसका क्या सीन है, पार्ट ए, पार्ट बी और सी का?
वो तो समझ आ रहा है सर।
नहीं बेटा, समझने की बात नहीं है ना तारिक, आपको जब क्वेश्चन पेपर उठा के ना करने की भी हमें वो आने चाहिए बेटा। समझ के, हमारा खाली समझ से काम नहीं चलेगा ना जब तक उसको पेपर में ट्रांसलेट नहीं करेंगे बच्चे। तो वो तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा बेटा। देखो मेरे से जो हेल्प चाहिए वो हेल्प ले लो, मैं तो पढ़ा सकता हूँ, इससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता कुछ।
यस सर।
ठीक है, ये अब एफर्ट तुम्हें मारनी पड़ेगी और तुम्हें अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करनी पड़ेगी। ठीक है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव नेवर मेट यू, आई डोंट नो योर वीकनेसेस एंड स्ट्रेंथ्स। You have to fight out that part. But I can only say यार, तुझे मेरे से जितनी हेल्प चाहिए तो हेल्प ले ले। I don't mind connecting with you, एक आधा सेशन एक्स्ट्रा भी, that's okay, that it doesn't matter much. Okay, तो अब तुम पास्ट पेपर जब कर रहे हो चार्ट वर्क के, तुमने करने शुरू किए पास्ट पेपर?
हाँ सर मैं कर रहा हूँ सर। आपका सर
तो
जो
कितने क्वेश्चन निकल रहे हैं तुम्हारे? जैसे 3 हैं तो 3 में से 1-2 क्वेश्चन निकलने शुरू हो गए हैं बेटा? नहीं अभी?
सर निकलना शुरू हो चुका है सर।
हाँ
सर आपने
तो तुम उनको करो, तुम्हें जो प्रॉब्लम हो तुम बात करो मुझसे, बट मैं तुम्हें बार बार यही कह रहा हूँ बेटा कि थोड़ा सा ना, एक तो खुल के बात करो जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, समस्या जहां समझ में आने की है, और उसको डोंट गो इनटू ऑन द बैक फुट। ये नहीं है कि